Hey guys, I'm back today to set up my new Akai MIDI keyboard, and we're going to start by going to the akaipro.com website so we can find the software that we need to install. I have the LPK25 model, so that's the one we're going to look for. And now that I've found it, we'll go ahead and click on the download button. And by the way, this keyboard is compatible with both PC and Mac. I'm on a Mac currently, so we'll select the Mac option. Once the download completes, we'll go ahead and install the package. You'll be taken through some screens starting with the software license agreement that you'll need to agree to in order to continue. Once you agree to the license agreement, it only takes a few moments for the software to complete its installation, and then you'll see a confirmation on your screen. To start using the keyboard, we'll want to use the USB cable to connect the keyboard to the computer. One end of the cable is a Type B connector that plugs into the keyboard, and the other end plugs into your computer's USB-A port. If you have all that set up correctly, you should be able to go into your computer settings and select your keyboard as the MIDI input. Now for a quick test of the keyboard. Let's play a few notes and listen to how it sounds. And on the screen, you can see that the notes are transcribed into the sheet music. And here I'm actually using GarageBand, and I've selected the Steinway grand piano as my instrument of choice. I'm playing staccato notes. I can also play chords. I can also play the arpeggio. And I can also play a series of notes at a much faster tempo. So far, this MIDI keyboard is working pretty good. It was easy to set up and pretty much plug and play. I can use it for music composition, play various melodies, create different beats, transpose my music using the octave buttons, and even use the software to get it to play as a different instrument.